Hi everyone, it's Megan with Lakeshore. Did you know that telling jokes with your child can be educational? Well, today I'm going to tell you how developing your child's sense of humor can support learning. And I'll also give you some tips on how to incorporate joke telling into your family routine. Let's get started. Telling jokes supports learning. It's a great way for children to develop communication and conversational skills, like speaking clearly and taking turns in a conversation. Through joke telling, children also learn that there are different ways of thinking. Even preschoolers can begin recognizing subtle hidden meanings in jokes.
What do you call sleeping dinosaur?
What?
A dinosaur.
Telling jokes supports social-emotional development. When children tell jokes, they build their self-esteem. They learn to be playful and begin to understand that we don't have to be serious all the time. This is the foundation to help children cope when faced with challenges. Sometimes the best coping strategy is to be able to make light of a situation.
What's a good favorite dessert?
What? Telling jokes promotes family engagement. Laughter brings families together, and a good joke can make the whole family chuckle. These positive interactions help build positive family relationships. Developing a positive relationship with your child is a key predictor to their future success in school and life. Now, here's some tips on how to get you started telling jokes with your child. Tip number 1, model telling jokes. Begin slowly by teaching your child a few simple jokes. If you don't know any jokes for kids, do a quick internet search for ideas. Next, model for your child how a joke works. For example, usually the person telling the joke asks a question, then waits for a response before delivering the punchline. Kids love delivering the punchline. You might even want to share a knock-knock joke with your child so they can see a different joke format. Now encourage your child to practice retelling the jokes to family members and friends. The more practice they get, the better the delivery will become. For older learners, challenge your child with riddles and brain teasers to really get them thinking. Tip number 2, incorporate jokes into your daily routine. Support humor every day by incorporating a daily joke. A great time for a daily joke is when your family sits down for dinner. Have one member of the family share a joke. Take turns so that each member gets a chance to tell a joke that week. You can also have your child gather jokes to share with family and friends during daily video calls.
What do you call a choo-choo train?
What?
Choo-choo train.
Tip number 3, make a joke book. Together with your child, write down some of their favorite jokes in a book. You can even have your child draw funny pictures to go along with the jokes. For older learners, encourage your child to make up their own jokes, riddles, and brain teasers for the joke book. Tip number 4, have a stand-up comedy night. Promote fun and laughter at home by hosting a stand-up comedy night. Encourage each member of your family to share a few jokes for kids. Your child will be so excited to retell the jokes they've been practicing in front of an audience. Give your child a microphone to make the night even more like the real thing.
How do you make a tissue dance?
Ow!
We put a little boogie in it.
Often laughter can be the best medicine when facing challenging times, and your child will remember the fun and laughter for years to come. I hope you enjoyed this Learning at Home video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the Lakeshore Learning channel to see more. Until next time, keep on learning.
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.